Hey Southwest Florida, Braden here, back with your weekly real estate market update. Now before I get into the update, I just want to remind you all that I'm putting out content just like this every single day, so make sure that you follow the channel for more exciting real estate tips just like this. Now let's get into the video. Let's take a close look at what's happening in our local market this week. Last week we experienced mortgage rates at 7.04%, 318 new listings, 278 properties sold, 350 under contract, 29 expired, and a median sales price of $382,000. This week, the mortgage rates have slightly increased to 7.06%, and there's been a moderate increase in new listings from 318 to 353, indicating that more homeowners are looking to sell. An interesting note this week is the number of sold properties, which went up to 292. This is a sign of continued activity and demand within the market. The number of properties under contract has also remained fairly consistent, dropping slightly from 350 to 348, indicating a stable transaction environment. Now let's address the significant increase in expired listings from 29 last week to 90 this week. This could very well be due to listing agreements ending on the first of the month or the last day of the previous month, which is a common occurrence in the real estate cycle. The median sales price has decreased slightly from $382,000 to $375,000. This could be a reflection of various factors, including the type and location of properties sold. In conclusion, the Southwest Florida market continues to be active and dynamic, with slight fluctuations in rates and prices, and a slightly unusual bump in expired listings. Understanding the market conditions becomes ever crucial. As always, I'm here to guide you through these market nuances. If you have any questions or need any assistance with buying or selling, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Braden Milner, your dedicated Southwest Florida realtor with Florida Future Realty. And you can contact me anytime via call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@bradenmilner.com. That's all I have for you now. Stay informed, and I'll see you next week with your latest market update. Make sure to follow the channel for more daily content just like this, and I hope you all have a great week, Southwest Florida.